Okay, so after you've drawn your tree with pencil, you're going to go over it with marker and then you're going to erase all of your pencil lines. And then you're going to draw your flowers really just organic shapes. You don't want them to necessarily look like flowers. You just want them to look like organic shapes, like puddles, like eggs, like spilled milk. You just really want them to be real organic looking, because his flowers didn't look like necessarily flowers. And you're going to draw those lines in just like Van Gogh did. So I'm trying to speed up my video as much as I possibly can. And then you put your flowers in. And you can see I'm just drawing organic flowers all over. And they're nothing really special. They're just these kind of egg shapes all over, spilled milk shapes all over. And then what you're going to do is you're going to paint the negative space. You're going to paint the background today. I'm putting some leaves in. And when you do that, you're going to put some water, some blue paint so you get a really light blue background. I'm also taking some water and some pink paint. And I'm going to mix the two colors in there to get a really nice purpley blue background in some places and then just blue in others. But I'm painting the inside in between the areas of the branches and around the flowers. And that's all we're going to do today are those areas. So I sped up the video and I cut it so you don't watch me the whole time. But you can see I'm not painting the branches. I'm painting the areas in between and around the flowers. And some parts I'm painting blue, some parts I'm blending in with that pink so that it has this really beautiful sky looking kind of thing going on. And I'm painting the negative space, the space that's not the tree. And you can see I have to make some more of that light color. The reason why I'm doing it on my palette like that is so I can get a really washed out light blue color. And I'm not using just the straight pigment from the paint. So if I use my palette, I can get this light blue color because it's water and blue paint. And that's how you get that light blue color and that light pink color. So it's not very heavy duty color and you have control over it. And that's what that palette is for, so you can control those areas. So, and you'll see how I finish it off. And if I need to add more water, I can add more water. But you're going to spend today painting those areas, and you don't want to paint them on the same day because you don't want those areas to bleed or blend into each other. So today we're going to paint the background, and then tomorrow we'll paint the tree itself. So you'll see how I finish this whole thing off. You can see a couple times I have to make more of the colors. But today it's just the background, all the areas in between the tree branches I'm painting.